Now, workflow templates are really useful when you need to get started because they give you the structure you need to understand OpenFn workflows. But you might want to build your own use case and need like assistance from the AI on how you can get started. So in your project again, when you click create new workflow, you'll see this build with AI button highlighted. So you'll click that and then it will take you to this page. So once in this page, you can click get started with the AI assistant and then the chat window will appear. So let's say I want to create, I have a use case actually in mind. So I want to create a workflow that will help me track all the payment from my customers. And also, once my customer pays me, I want to send them an invoice. And also, that invoice data, I want to sync that to my accounting software. So that's like a rough use case that I'm thinking of. So just to show you the end product when you're chatting with the AI assistant. So for example, I've already sent a couple of prompts. So for example, I started with, I want to create 2 workflows for my business. So the first workflow is I want customer to pay for my product using M-Pesa, and then I want to send them a receipt after they paid. So that's the prompt that I've created, and the AI assistant gave me a first version of the workflows. So let's actually click to see the first version that it recommended. So this was the workflow. You receive payment from M-Pesa, you generate a receipt using Common, and you send it to WhatsApp. So this is kind of like the structure that AI suggested that I was not happy with. So I went back and said, hey, it looks great, but can you actually use Moja tags for creating the EFD receipts? And then also add the QuickBook step. And the AI went and did this. I was like, yeah, okay, this is nice, but I want more. um, so yeah, I said, maybe I need to do a backup in Google Sheet just for redundancy. So when someone pays, not only send it to QuickBooks and send them a receipt, but add those logs to a Google Sheet. And this is what the AI suggested. So it's pretty simple. It's just like back and forth with the AI, and it kind of suggests which node to have in your workflow. So yeah, if you're happy with the workflow structure that the AI assistant helped you build, you can now go ahead and save. Once you save the workflow, you'll be able now to edit and add the operation in each of these steps. So if you click edit, it will open up the editor, and still you'll have your AI assistant window where you can actually prompt the AI to write the code for you. So let's say, for example, I want to now process the incoming payments. I'll say something like process paid write code for processing paid orders, and that will go through our adapter for this step and look which operation to use and give you suggestions on which operations to use.